Hi everyone. I just wanted to share my book. I finally got the copy in the mail. It's thicker than I thought it would be. So it is 257 pages long. I include this, the title of the book is Marasco versus Swift, the federal case they do not want you to know about. This is regarding my copyright infringement lawsuit against Taylor Swift, which you probably never heard about because the media is pretty much keeping it quiet. And so I decided to write a book about the case. I included the court documents in here in the book, as well as some key court responses that I think is important to the case. I also discuss the case itself and how I feel, or what other important information about the judicial system that I've learned about, that I think is really unfair to pro se litigants who cannot afford an attorney. I've spoken to several attorneys. They all agreed that I had a case. However, it's very rare if a copyright attorney will take a case on contingency. Even then, it's not even free, I found out. You still have to pay for things up front. And it's very expensive. So, pro se litigants are at a great disadvantage in our court system today, which I think is unfair because that is biased toward the wealthy, and it's not right. So, right now my case is still pending the judge's final decision. I don't know why it's taking so long. That's the other issue. It really shouldn't take this long, especially if she's going to try to say just agree with the defendants. That's been pretty much happening all along, and dismiss it. I do plan to appeal it. So I wrote a book discussing the all the information that I've learned that I think would help other people as well, especially if you are a pro se litigant in our judicial system in America. There's a lot of things that I think need to change, and I think it should be more impartial for everybody to have their voices heard. I should have my case should be proceeded to discovery, but I don't think they're ever going to let that happen, and I don't think it's right. I don't think it's fair. So I discuss a lot of information I think would help other people as well, and plus it's very interesting. Even though it's 257 pages, it's a quick read. I know there's a lot of events going on today, a lot of issues, a lot of terrible things, a lot of catastrophic events. So I know it's not going to be at the forefront of, a lot of people books to actually read. But if you do get a chance to read it, again, I do think it would help a lot of people. I think it provides a lot of interesting information as well that I think people should know about. So I hope you do get a chance to review it. I made it free on Amazon, except Amazon only allows that promotion for a few days, so then it will go back to $1. I made it the lowest it could be, so it's just $1 to download if it's not free when you get to it. You can also buy the book, but that's up to you. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you get a chance to read it, and thank you. Have a wonderful day.